Ellevest Impact Portfolio App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Ellevest is a robo-advisor focused on helping users invest in portfolios that align with personal values, especially around social impact and gender-conscious investing. Many people get this wrong by assuming impact investing is more expensive, but Ellevest keeps its pricing clear. Ellevest offers two main plans, the Essential Plan at per month and the Premium Plan at per month. Both cover portfolio management and automatic rebalancing, while the Premium Plan adds access to career coaching and financial planning tools. Underlying fund fees are included in the portfolios, which are primarily IFs with low expense ratios. Most people think that socially responsible investing sacrifices returns. Ellevest's portfolios are diversified and designed to match traditional risk profiles, from conservative to aggressive, while integrating IS-focused funds. For example, an aggressive impact portfolio may still target 7-9% annual returns while prioritizing companies with strong sustainability practices. The surprising truth is that Ellevest makes investing accessible for anyone, with low minimums and guidance designed specifically for women and underrepresented investors, bridging the gap between financial planning and socially conscious investing. In conclusion, Ellevest Impact Portfolio pricing is simple, affordable, and value-packed. By understanding the subscription fee and underlying fund structure, investors can confidently grow wealth while supporting companies that align with their impact goals.